Hey, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and I love that technology can make our lives so much easier. And on my YouTube channel, I love talking about that specific topic, and the best way to make your life easier is the smart home. Here it is. I finally got my hands on the new Nest Cam battery made for outdoors or indoors. What makes this camera different from previous years is that it can work on battery, or you can purchase accessories to make it wired, like the outdoor weatherproof cable in 5 meters or 10 meters, or the indoor wired tabletop stand that are sold separately. So for those hard to reach spots, like on top of the garage, can now have a camera without worrying about running a wire. It uses a magnetic base that is easy to install anywhere. It's weather resistant, so for someone like me who lives in Michigan, where it can reach 100 degrees in the summer with storms, but in the winter it can go as low as -4 degrees with snow, the camera will still work. The big difference for the Nest Cam compared to competitors is the built-in intelligent alerts. The camera will notify me if it sees a car, animal, or person, so no more random alerts going off making me guess what happened. Some competitors, they'll send you a notification telling you that there's motion, and when you go into that motion, it's just the wind blowing. This ties into the Google ecosystem. I have a Nest Hub, so when I say, okay, Google, show me my driveway, I will see my driveway on my smart display. Using the Google Home app, I can access my camera and its history. With a 1080p HDR image, I can see what's happening in great detail. By transitioning from 4K in their previous generations to 1080p, Nest provides high quality video without straining your internet connection. The full array microphone system allows me to speak to the person on the other end, and the speaker is loud enough where they can hear me even with my camera mounted on top of my garage. Google has privacy and security in mind, with the camera featuring encrypted video and two-step verification in your Google account to help protect your family's privacy. And a green status LED light lets you know when the camera is processing or streaming video. All in all, the new Nest Cam took everything great about the Nest camera from before, but made it better.